Hello and welcome back to the Yorkshire Indian channel. Tonight we're going to be cooking. Oh bastard, who the fuck are you? Oh, I do beg your pardon, I was told to do the voiceover tonight. Well, you can fuck off. I've just been finishing the fucking recipe. All these TikToks and Instagram and everybody bastards asking for a fucking recipe. I'm doing this and you doing fucking voiceover, no chance. I put lots of effort into this. I'm going to do the fucking voiceover, okay? Now fuck off. Sorry about that, bastards. Hello, bastards. Chicken Pilau here tonight. Full recipe on the description or in the description. Chicken Pilau. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Pilau and biryani ain't same thing, is it? Of course it's same thing. No, it fucking isn't. Biryani is layered. Pilau is cooked all together. Rice and meat cooked together, so the rice absorbs all those flavors. So what you're getting in the restaurant and the takeaways, the problem is it's a stir fry. The chicken cooked separate, and then the rice already cooked, then they warm in microwave, then they throw it in the wok, and then they go chak 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 like that sound, and they call it biryani, give you a little bit of curry sauce. It's not fucking biryani, it's fried rice. Get it fucking right. Oh, just checking my gains while I'm waiting for the onions. Anyway, as I said, all the recipe is on here, all the method. Hopefully I can get everything on description. If I can't get it all on the TikToks, it will be available on the Instagram and the YouTubes and the Facebook. So don't fucking worry, and especially don't start crying, bastards. So we've washed the rice and we've let that soak for an hour, at least minimum an hour. And we've marinated the chicken. Very, very simple so far. Marinated the chicken. I put it in fridge for about an hour. And then I've got some spices. We fried the onions. And this part here, I'm really, really sorry. Once I drained the rice after it been soaking, I thought I was filming the rice going into the bowl. And I pressed the fucking record button. But it was already bastard recording. And I pressed the stop button. What a stupid bastard I am. But it doesn't make a difference. You'll see the end product. You'll see that I put fucking rice in. I can't just magically rice appear from nowhere. It's not fucking popcorn. I'm also putting the recipe in for this cucumber raita. Look, I just grated some cucumber, which is cucumber obviously. Squeezed all, look at all that moisture just from a little bit of cucumber. Squeeze it all out. Add some yogurt. Very, very fucking simple this. Add a little bit of fresh mint, fresh coriander if you can. And then add a little bit salt, little bit garam masala, little bit chili powder. If you want, a little bit coriander powder. And the job is done. Give it a little mix the bastard, good and proper, mix the bastard vigorously. And then you will have cucumber raita, which goes perfectly well with the pilau rice. Anybody who loves pilau always has dahi. Dahi is yogurt. But if you're a little bit posher, you might have some cucumber then. Look at that. Soft and fluffy. Don't be fucking it about with a fork. Nice and easy with this rice. You don't want to start fucking it about. Otherwise it will break. And it won't be good because you break the rice. It needs to be long and fluffy light. And I'm going to taste it. It's fucking gorgeous. Thank you very much. See you soon.